Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we are going to start practice set 35 from lesson number 8. From lesson number 8. So now we will learn how to multiply monomial by a binomial by a monomial. We will learn this practice set. So first question is what? Multiply. First one, 16xy multiply by 18xy. See how to do. 16xy plus 18xy. First we will multiply the numbers. What? 16 multiply by 18. Then multiply. Here is what? X. Multiply by. Here is also x. Multiply by y. Multiply by y. Now 16 multiply by 18. When you multiply like this form, so you will get 288. So 16 multiply by 18 what? 288. X multiply by x. Students, remember it, when variable multiply by a variable, so their power will increase and numbers will multiply by numbers. So we will do this one. जब भी कोई वेरिएबल से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो उसका पावर बढ़ेगा. x मल्टीप्लाई बाय x मीन्स x स्क्वायर. कितने x है? 2. सो x स्क्वायर. y multiply by y. So what? Y square. Understood? See the next one. Second one. 23x y square multiply by 4yz square. What we will do? First we will multiply the number 23 multiply by 4. Multiply by, now see x, here x is not there. Multiply by what? Y square. It means y multiply by y. Here is also one more y. Then z is not there. Here z square. It means z multiply by z. Now multiply the numbers. 23 4s are 92. X 92x. Y multiply by y multiply by y. 3 times y, so y cube. Z multiply by z, 2 times z, so z square. Clear? Now see the third one. 12a plus 17b multiply by 4c. 12a plus 17b multiply by 4c. See. When we multiply a monomial by a binomial, so first we will multiply the first term, then multiply the second term. It means we multiply the whole bracket. So we will break this bracket. 12a multiply by 4c. See here, 12a multiply by 4c. Then 17b is also multiplied by 4c. Just I told you what? It means this number will multiply the whole term, whole bracket. So we will break this bracket and multiply in this form. So 12 multiply by 4. 12 4s are what? 48. A into C, AC. Plus 17 4s are 68. B into C, BC. This much is your answer. See the fourth one also. 4x plus 5y multiply by 9x plus 7y. When binomial multiply by binomial, so what we will do? We will break first bracket, then multiply the next whole bracket. How to do? Like this form. We will break this bracket. It means first we will multiply 4x by this one, then plus 5y by this one. So 4x multiply by what? 9x plus 7y. Then plus 5y, 9x plus 7y. We have what? Broken this bracket. Now 4x multiply by 9x. What? 4 9s are, or you can write in deeply 4x multiply by 9x plus 4x multiplied by 7y plus 5y multiplied by 9x plus 5y multiplied by 7y. Students, be careful while you are putting the signs. Plus when we put the sign of multiply. So 4 9s are 36. X multiplied by x, what? X square. Plus sign. 4 7s are 28. X multiplied by y, xy. Plus 5 9s are 45. X multiplied by y, xy. Plus 5 7s are 35. Y multiplied by y square. This much you have understood. Now see where the powers and variables are same. So here the variables and their powers are same. It means what? We will add this number. So first we will write this number as it is 36x square plus 28xy, and here is also what? 45xy. Both the powers and variables are same. Here is also x and here is also x. Here is also y. Here is also y. So it means we can add this term. So 28 plus 45. What? 73. 73xy. Then plus 35y square. This is your answer. So students, write it in your notebook. Now last one. What? A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Find its area. So here we have to find out the area of rectangle which length and breadth is given. So students, you all know what is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth, and length is given and breadth is also given. So we can easily find out its area. So first we will write the question. What? Length is given what? 8x plus 5 centimeter, and breadth is given what? 5x plus 3 centimeter, and we have to find its area. So we will what? Write area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied by breadth. Length is what? 8x plus 5, and breadth is what? Multiplied by breadth 5x plus 3. Like this form. What we will do? First we will break this bracket, first bracket, and multiply by the second bracket. So now break the bracket. What? 8x multiplied by 5x plus 3, and here plus 5 multiplied by 5x plus 3. Now multiply this 8x the whole bracket by the whole bracket. So now I am going to do directly, because I know you all have understood very well. So 8 5s are what? 40. X multiplied by x square, plus 8 3s are 24x, because x is there, plus 5 5s are 25x. Here only one x is there and here is not, plus 5 3s are 50. Now what we will do? We will see where is the powers and variables same. So here powers and variables are same. So write 40x square plus 24 into 25. What? 49x plus 15. So this is our answer. So we will write what? what we will write the unit? Square centimeter. Why I have written square centimeter? Because we have find the area, and whenever you will find the area, so you have at the end you have to write square, and here centimeter is there, so I have written centimeter. If meter is there, so I have to write square meter. Understood? आपको square centimeter डालना ही है. So complete it in your notebook. We have completed this practice set. Now we will move on to the next practice set. Practice set 36. See, question number, practice set 36, question number 1. Simplify 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y and choose the right answer. And here options are given. So how we'll find out the answer, which one is right? So we have to solve this question. So I have written the question. Now I am going to solve. See here, minus sign is there. It means we have to what we have to do? We have to just open the bracket and see sign. This sign will multiply by in the bracket sign. So first we will write first bracket as it is, 3x minus 11y minus 17x. This minus multiply by plus, so minus plus minus 13y. Now arrange the variables in the form. So first 3x is there. Where is the x? Here x is there. So write with its sign, minus 17x. Then minus 11y minus 13y. 3x minus 17x. What? 14x. But bigger number sign is what? Minus. Minus plus minus. It means 17 minus 3, and we have to put the sign of minus because bigger number is 17. Then here minus minus plus. It means 11 जो है वो 13 में ऐड हो जाएगा. माइनस माइनस प्लस, मेथड विल बी एडिशन, बट द साइन इज व्हाट? बिगर नंबर साइन. सो माइनस 11 minus 13y. So minus minus plus, but sign bigger number sign. 3 and 1 what? 4. 1 plus 1 2. 24y. It means our answer is what? Wait. So now what we will see? We will see which is the common number. So here it will divide by 2. It means 2 will be the common and minus sign also. So minus 2. जब ये बाहर निकल गया तो ब्रैकेट में क्या बचा? 2. 14 से कौन से नंबर से जाएगा? 2 7 ज़ा 14 and x is remaining. Then minus minus plus 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 2 ज़ा 4. Then y. Have you understood? So answer is what? Minus 2 7x plus 12y. Where is that option? See here. Fourth one, minus 2 7x plus 12y is our answer. It means this one is right. But don't put only right tick mark. You have to solve this question like this form. Whenever this question will ask, it means you have to solve like this form. This much is also right, but here you have to see the common number, common divisor. Got it? Next one. The product of 23x square y cube z and minus 15x cube y z square is. Students, product means what? Multiply. In mathematical language, product means multiply. Sum means addition. Okay? And difference means minus. So product of, we have to find out the product of this number and see which one is right. So we will multiply this by this. See how to multiply. We have just understood in practice set 35. First we will multiply the numbers by numbers. 23 multiply by minus 15. Then multiply by x square. Multiply by what? X cube. Then multiply by y cube. Multiply by y. Multiply by z. Multiply by z square. Now 23 multiply by 15. 15 3s are 45. Then 4 is remaining. 15 2s are 30, 34. So 34. Minus sign is there, so we have to put the minus sign. Then multiply. Don't write the multiply. x square multiply by x cube. मैंने आपको बोला था कि जब वेरिएबल से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो उसका पावर जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, ऐड हो जाएगा. सो यर 2 times x and here 3 times x. It means how many times x? 5 times. x raised to 5. y cube and y. So y raised to 4. 3 यहाँ पर 3 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, तो 3 और 1 4. z and z square 2 and 1 3. So z cube. So answer is what? Minus 345. x raised to 5, y raised to 4, z raised to 3. Where is that number? First one. It means first option is right. Now solve the following equations. Here we have to solve it is also very easy. Question number 3. What is written? 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 9 upon 2. See, 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 9 upon 2. What we will do? First we will see this is with variable and here variable is not there. So we will remove this number and shift into this side, right hand side. And when any number or variable shift into other sides, so it will change its sign also. जब भी कोई नंबर को हम हटाते हैं उसकी प्लेस से और उसको दूसरे साइड पर भेजते हैं तो उसकी साइन चेंज हो जाती है. सो हम लोग 4x को वैसे ही लिखेंगे. 4x इज इक्वल्स टू 9 अपॉन 2 यहीं पे रहेगा. हमको क्या करना है? 1 अपॉन 2 को यहाँ पे लेकर आना है. तो ये 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 है. यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 1 अपॉन 2. एंड यू नो दिस वन हम लोग किए हैं. रैशनल नंबर क्या होती है? जब रैशनल नंबर के बीच में साइन प्लस या माइनस होती है तो हम उसके डिनोमिनेटर देखते हैं सेम है कि नहीं. सो यर डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? 4x इज इक्वल्स टू 9 minus 1 upon 2. 4x is equals to 9 minus 1 what? 8 upon 2. When we divide this 8 by 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 4x is equals to what? 4. But we have to find out the x, value of x. And here 4 is multiply form with x. So when we shift this 4 into here, so it will change its sign and it will be divide. So x is equals to 4 upon 4. It means x is equals to what? 1. Because 4 से 4 कट जाएगा. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So x is equals to what? 1. Have you understood? See the next one. What? 10 is equals to 2y plus 5. 10 is equals to 2y plus 5. What? मैंने अभी आपको बोला है कि आपको वेरिएबल मालूम करना है तो जो पहले विदाउट वेरिएबल है उसको एक तरफ करो. सो हम 2y को यहीं रखते हैं, यहाँ से 5 को हटा देंगे. ओके. सो 5 यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. बिकॉज हियर इट इज़ इन विच फॉर्म? प्लस फॉर्म. सो व्हेन वी शिफ्ट दिस into here, so it will change its sign and it will be minus. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 2y. Understood? 10 minus 5 what? 5 is equals to 2y. Now हमको क्या मालूम करना है? y. और यहाँ पे y के साथ में 2 जो है वो क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म में. जब ये यहाँ पर आ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 5 के साथ डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 5 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू y. और वी कैन राइट y इज इक्वल्स टू 5 अपॉन 2. हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y. थर्ड वन, 5m माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. 5m माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. 5m किसको हटाएंगे हम लोग? -4 को. सो 1 ये यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो जाएगा? +4. सो 5m इज इक्वल्स टू 1 + 4 5. m इज इक्वल्स टू 5 अपॉन 5 राइट. बिकॉज ये इसके साथ में मल्टीप्लाई में यहाँ क्या क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. सो m इज इक्वल्स टू 1. नाउ सी द फोर्थ वन. अगर ऐसे भी रहेगा तो आपको x वाले नंबर एक तरफ करना है, विदाउट x एक तरफ करना है। इट मीन्स हम लोग 6x को यही रखेंगे, ये प्लस 3x यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो जाएगा माइनस 3x। यहाँ पे 8 को ऐसे ही रखो, यहाँ से -1 को हटा के 8 की तरफ लेकर आओ तो ये हो जाएगा +1। 6x माइनस 3x वॉट 3x, 8 + 1 9, देन x इज इक्वल्स टू 9/3। इट मीन्स x इज इक्वल्स टू 3, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 3 ज़ा 9। So x, what is the value of x? X is equals to 3. Now fifth one, 2x minus 4 is equals to 4x plus 2. First we will multiply this by the whole bracket. 2 multiplied by x, 2x, 2 4s are 8 and here 4x plus 2. x वाले नंबर एक तरफ कर लो, 2x माइनस 4x, बिकॉज ये 4 क्या है प्लस में, यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो जाएगा माइनस, ये 2 यहीं पे रहेगा, ये -8 यहाँ पे आगे क्या हो जाएगा +8। सो 2x माइनस 4x वॉट 2x, बट बिगर नंबर साइन इज वॉट माइनस, एंड यर 8 + 2 10, देन x इज इक्वल्स टू -10 वॉट 2। So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. It means x is equals to -5. This will be our answer. X is equals to -5. So this one you can do it by your own because same question है, आप लोग solve कर सकते हो easily. Now I am going to start this one. Fourth one. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their age is 27 years. How old are they? Here is what? राकेश की एज जो है वो सानिया की एज से, राकेश एज इज़ लेस देन सानियाज एज बाय 5 years. राकेश की एज जो है वो सानिया की एज से 5 कम है, 5 years कम है। इसका मतलब ना हमको राकेश की एज मालूम है और ना ही सानिया की मालूम है, लेकिन इनका सम ऑफ देयर एज, दोनों के एज का सम यानी टोटल कितना है 27 years. सो हाउ ओल्ड आर दे? सो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू जस्ट अज्यूम दी सानियाज एज, बिकॉज हमको ना सानिया की एज पता है ना राकेश की, तो राकेश सानिया की एज को आप x अज्यूम करोगे और यहाँ पे लिखा है राकेश की एज सानिया की एज से 5 years कम है, सो इट मीन्स x - 5. सो हियर वी हैव व्हाट, लेट द सानियाज एज बी x. सानिया की एज हमको पता नहीं है और राकेश की एज सानिया की एज से 5 कम है, सो राकेश एज इज व्हाट x - 5 एंड सम ऑफ देयर एजेस इज 27. सो सानिया की एज और राकेश की एज क्या है x - 5. ओके, सम ऑफ देयर एजेस मतलब हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है प्लस, इन दोनों की एज का प्लस कितना है 27. तो ये इक्वेशन बन गई. नाउ सॉल्व इट. व्हाट, जस्ट ओपन द ब्रैकेट, x + x - 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 27. x + x 2x - 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 27. 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 27, ये -5 यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा +5. सो 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 27 + 5 32. देन x इज इक्वल्स टू 32/2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. x इज इक्वल्स टू वॉट 16. x हमको मालूम पड़ा है 16. सो x किसकी एज थी? सानिया की. सानियाज एज क्या थी? x. सो अब राकेश की एज कितनी होगी? देयरफॉर राकेश एज कितना लिखा था हमने? x - 5. नाउ सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. 16 - 5. 16 - 5 इज व्हाट 11. सो राकेश एज इज व्हाट? राकेश एज इज व्हाट 11 years एंड सानियाज एज इज व्हाट 16 years, जो कि राकेश के सानिया एज से 5 years कम है. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What? When planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of ashoka trees by 60. If there are altogether 200 trees of these two types, How many jambul trees were planted? Here what is asking, one more thing is remember, whenever there is a mention all together it means plus. Okay, when planting a forest, जब forest को plant किया गया तो जो जामुल की ट्रीज थे वो ग्रेटर देन किसके ट्रीज थे? अशोका से. कितने ज़्यादा थे? 60 ज़्यादा थे क्या? जामुल के. But here same situation, we don't know the jambul trees and we don't know the ashoka trees also. So what we will do, we will assume the ashoka trees, then what, jambul trees जो है वो ashoka trees से 60 ज़्यादा है. So what, ashoka trees be x and jambul trees be x plus 60, and उन दोनों का all together that means total कितना है? 200. So first we will write let ashoka trees be x and jambul trees be x plus 60, and there if their all together is what? 200. It means x plus 60. Now open the bracket. X plus 60 is equals to what? 200. X plus x, 2x plus 60 is equals to 200. Now 2x is equals to 200 minus 60. So 2x is equals to 200 minus 60 what? 140. X is equals to 140 upon 2. So x is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, then 2 zeros are 0. X is equals to 70. X क्या था? अशोका ट्री. So अशोका ट्री क्या आ गया हमारा? अशोका ट्री is 70. Now we will find out the jambul trees. Therefore jambul trees, now put the substitute the value of x. कितना हमने लिया था? x plus 60. What is the value of x? 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60 is what? 130 trees. And at the end you have to write 130 trees, 130 jambul trees were planted. 130 jambul trees were planted. Have you understood? So write it in your notebook. And question number 6 and question number 7, you have to do it by yourself. I hope you all have understood, and we have completed our practice set and our lesson also, and we have completed our syllabus which will come in your exams. So be prepared for the exam. Thank you so much, students.